Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to scan for malware on Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, open your settings app on your Android phone, and this is my settings app, so just tap on it. And if we want to scan for malware, we have to find battery and device care, and it's over here. Tap on it, and since we want to scan for malware, we can click on device protection right here and click on scan phone right here. Alright, and we just need to wait until 100%. Okay guys, and that's how we can scan for malware on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find this video is helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.